Managing whether cost transactions have been paid already or not can be very, very time consuming, often requiring manual checking. So what if the software could automatically do this for you and do it accurately? So Dex eliminates this hassle by recognizing payment methods. You can go ahead and set up payment methods in advance to ensure Dex categorizes transactions automatically. Once a payment method is added, Dex identifies the last 4 payment card digits on the receipts and applies the rules you've set. If the payment method hasn't been added in advance, Dex will go ahead and start to read the last 4 payment card digits and automatically create a new payment method if it doesn't already exist. You can then go ahead and review and assign the correct details. This ensures that payouts and expense tracking can be fully automated, reducing manual intervention and ensuring seamless bookkeeping. Now you can link a payment method to a bank account, whether it's a personal card, company funds, or even petty cash. Dex will then publish transactions into the accounting software under the correct account. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and dive in and see how to configure your payment methods for maximum efficiency. By adding payment methods in advance, Dex can recognize transactions, apply predefined rules, and even publish them to the correct account. This automation saves loads of time, reduces errors, and streamlines payouts. To add a new payment method, start by navigating to the business settings. Then go ahead and select Lists and click on the Payment Methods tab. Here you'll see a list of existing payment methods and recognize 4-digit card details from all of the transactions that you've already submitted into Dex for this very client. In the screen, you can go ahead and edit payment methods that have already been automatically detected, or you can add a new one. To add a new one, click the Add Payment Method button. Go ahead and enter a name for the reference, the last 4 digits of the card to be recognized by Dex. If you want to add a petty cash payment method, you must have a cash account already set up in QuickBooks or Xero. Within your accounting software, you can go ahead and create a dummy bank account. This will then link to the payment method. Then, once you've added the details, go ahead and click Add to save the payment method. Dex enables you to set up additional customized steps and directions for payment methods. If one of your clients has multiple users submitting cost transactions, you can go ahead and assign a default payment method for them. Review the settings under Set User Defaults to tell Dex exactly how you want to process these expenses. You have 3 options under Application Rules. No default is for if you do not want a payment method applied when a user submits an item. You would select Use Default if blank to only apply this payment method if no other payment method was detected on this item. Or go ahead and select Always Use Default, where this payment method will always be applied, even if it overwrites another payment method that has been identified on this item. After you've gone ahead and added your payment methods, the last step is to link the payment method to a bank account to ensure that expenses are assigned to the correct control account if your accounting software is connected. So why does this matter? In order to publish an item from Dex to a bank account in your accounting software, you need to ensure that each payment method is correctly linked to a corresponding bank account. Where there isn't a payment method set up for a newly recognized 4-digit card detail, you can go ahead and manually enter the information before publishing. If a payment method is not linked to a bank account, you may have issues when trying to publish an item. It's extremely important to note that you must have admin level access to link a payment method to a bank account. If you don't see this option, then you're going to have to reach out to your account administrator or accountant or bookkeeper to update your permissions. If you've recently added a bank account to your accounting software and you don't see it listed here, then you're going to go ahead and click the reload button to update this list. And that is it. Your payment method is now linked to the correct bank account. From now on, transactions made with this method will be automatically recognized and potentially published, ensuring a seamless workflow within your Dex. So now it's time to practice. Over to you. To finalize this module, you're going to need to perform a set of actions within the product. This interactive exercise is required for the certification. The steps are outlined below the video and your completion will be verified in real time. So be sure to finish before moving on to the next section of the certification.